Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this beautiful traveling paint kiss acrylic pour, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using my Primal Flow Premix Ready to Pour paints in Titanium White, Pacific Navy, and Ink and Gold, my favorite gold, and that's it. I'm working on an 11 by 14 canvas today, and I have two 9-ounce cups here. I'm going to fill them up about 6 ounces or so with my colors here, just alternating. I started with white in my left cup, and then on my right cup, I'm just basically trying to not do the same pattern that I did in my left cup and end up with white on the top in my right cup, so that way it'll be kind of a little bit different. And then you just start in the bottom left corner and pour diagonally. Super simple and easy. I absolutely love this technique. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know I do this technique a lot. I really love it because I feel like they always turn out pretty and you get some really awesome lines with them. And it looked like there was a base layer of paint on my canvas, but there wasn't. I had actually tried a Dutch pour using my own paints mixed with just paint and water, and that was an epic fail, so I had to scrape it off, and I was like, well, I'm going to do a traveling paint kiss pour because I know those always turn out pretty for me. So here it is. It's the wet finish. It's looking really nice. I love how that Pacific Navy and Titanium White kind of made like a baby blue color when they were next to each other in this pour. So what I'm going to do is let it dry for about a week, and then on a nice day I'm going to take it outside and hit it with a few coats of this Rust-Oleum Gloss 2x clear coat spray, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all nice and dry hanging up on the wall. So here it is, all nice and dry, and I absolutely love the ink and gold. It's one of my favorite golds that I've ever used. It dries so shimmery and metallic. It's like there's mica powder in it almost. It's really, really beautiful. The camera just doesn't do it justice, but what do you guys think about this one? Let me know down in the comments. I'm thinking about doing this one on a bigger size, like a 12 by 24. I was just basically testing out colors to see how it would turn out on a smaller canvas before I went in and did it on a larger scale, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you guys like this technique, I have quite a few other traveling paint kiss acrylic pour videos. I will link them down below in the description box, along with Primal Flow paint if you want to check out any of their paints. They're so easy to use. You just shake the bottle and pour. So check out the description box for the link to their website, and I'll leave a few of my favorite traveling paint kiss pours at the end card screen right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye!